Planning a trip soon or already packing your bags? One of the most underrated travel tools you might already have is Revolut's travel insurance. In just a few taps, you can make sure you're protected without the hassle of third-party providers. Let's walk through how to use it the smart way. Start by opening the Revolut app on your phone and logging in if you're not already. At the top, tap the search bar and type insurance. From there, select the insurance tab. You'll see different options, including travel insurance. If you already have a policy, simply tap travel insurance to view the details. You'll be able to check your active coverage, limit, and any included protections like medical care or lost baggage. If you don't have a policy yet, Revolut makes it really easy to set one up. Tap Get Travel Insurance. You'll be asked for basic trip details, your destination, travel date, and how many people you want covered. Next, you'll see the different coverage tiers. Revolut usually offers options like basic, standard, and premium. Take a moment to look at what each plan includes. Things like emergency medical care, trip cancellations, lost baggage, or delays. Choose what fits your trip and your budget. Once you've selected a plan and added any additional travelers, tap through to payment. As soon as the payment is complete, your travel insurance becomes active and is automatically linked to your Revolut account. No paperwork, no long forms. Everything is stored in one place. And if something does go wrong during your trip, like a medical emergency or a travel disruption, you can return to the same insurance section in the app to view your policy details, make a claim, or contact support. Revolut's travel insurance is one of those features people forget they have, but it can save you time, money, and stress when you actually need it. If you're getting ready to travel, take 60 seconds to check your coverage before you go. Thanks for sticking around. If you want more quick guides like this or have questions about using Revolut features, drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help. Safe travels, and I'll see you in the next video.